Hello, my viewers. Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. Our today video topic is living room shelves decoration. Shelves are more than a place to store items. Functionality can meet style, and that's the happy medium we all need in our homes. Shelf decor ideas and especially living room shelves decoration are practically endless and based on the formulas and tips that I mentioned in this video, you can create your own composition. In this video, you can see shelves can be decorated with a large variety of items and decoration pieces like books, vases, plates, artificial plants and decorative plants, trinkets, heirlooms, art, many 3D paintings, stylish paintings, and shelves like flank your fireplace, pair cabinets with a floating shelf unit, style a glass display cabinet, add floating shelves, add symmetrical shelves that can enhance the beauty and decoration of your living room and especially the main thing is the color combination of your shelves and living room furniture should be same or in contrast form. So, the other living room shelves decoration ideas like tiered objects or antique objects, eye-catching ceramic displays, keep to a single color palette, arrange books in odd numbers, and many other designs or ideas you can see in this video. I hope you like this video, then please thumbs up, like, share and comment.